Nick, you want to claim any of this frozen seafood?
Just the shrimp.
Salmon fillets.
Oh, Jägermeister, that's where that went to. I could have used that last night. I was desperate.
Maybe.
God, when is someone going to do something with this? See, now these are what? Avocados? Is this Guatemala? That's no good. No good.
Get the fur.
It's
Did these
now.
go bad?
I don't know, do you like pierogies?
Oh, these are limes. Do limes go bad? Fruit never goes bad, right? Here's carrots. Peeled carrots. I don't know. Does anybody like carrots?
Are those Brussels sprouts?
There you go. These have been in here for a long time. How old are those? No idea those were in there. Yeah, they stopped making those in '87. So they're
Why
back.
did you want them? Do you guys want them? I'm not gonna eat them. Are you gonna eat them? You gonna eat them?
I got that.
This wasn't good when they bought it. I'm right now.
But it's a product of France. It theoretically shouldn't go bad.
Trying to fix the freezer. No, I didn't. This was
Seriously, did you break it? Rob broke the freezer.
Freezer is now hot, thanks to Rob.
Really?
That should still be good. That's mine. That's probably about a month old.
No way, dude. That's not a month old. This is definitely not good either. Just got it. That's what I tell you.
are we?
I wish I could
that's
do to
good.
the country what I just did to the refrigerator. I can tell you that.